So dear all, this is a small video how to make use the Google form to conduct the quiz. So just open your drive, go to this new, go to the Google form. So choose the Google form there. So once the Google form has been opened, provide the title. The title can be provided based on what is the thing you're giving. So here I've already created, I'll just open this. I will be conducting the quiz for Analog and Digital Electronics Lab Theory. So quiz 1, Analog and Digital Electronics. So you can also provide the course code there and the batch, the date when you're conducting. So any other informations if you want to provide, you can provide it here. Then next, in the second field, so I just want to provide the name of the student. So they need to provide the name. So just make a caps lock on, you just provide this. So choose this short answer and then make this field required. Then go to the next. So ask the student to provide their USN year. So similarly in this way, just create the basic necessary requirements from the student. So here it is available. I've already given the name of the course code, the date, student name, student USN, and this is for third semester, so I've given only option of third. And we just need to use the same link for all the 3 sections, so make it as a section. I've given all 3 sections. If you are also doing like this, you can also make the same thing. Now all these in the first section. Now the second section, I'll be providing the quiz. So when I want to provide the quiz, I need to look into a few things. So the quiz, the questions to be randomized. So first you just go to this setting option. This can be done in the beginning when you just open the Google form itself. Go to the setting, go to this quiz, just enable this, make this a quiz. So in this you have 2 options. Release the grade immediately after each submission. So since we are conducting the test, let us not do this. So there will be a high possibility the students may share the answer to their other friends. So just we'll make this later after manual review. So once the students submit, they'll not be getting what is the score they got it. Once we just click there, so manually to release, they'll be receiving their grades. So just do this option and then go to this presentation. Then click on here the shuffle question order. So the question order will be shuffled. So if you want, you can just give this progress bar. Since we are not providing any results, so I'll not be enable this. So you can also disable this show link to submit another response. Since we are restricting student to submit only one response, just enable this shuffle question order and then go to this general option. So here it's been collecting the email address by default. So they need to log in and then they can provide. So there is no possibility the other students can submit some other student response. And since I'm using the G Suite account, so just unclick this because it is restricted only for the Bangalore Institute of Technology students. So since our students don't have the Bangalore Institute email ID, just unclick this and just enable this limit to 1 response. And these things you just disable, then just click on save. So this creates the Google form converts this Google form into a quiz. Now I need to provide few details. So the questions, so I just go to this add section. So I just open the another one and just try to do it. So go to this add section. So since the questions to be shuffled, so I'll be providing the details over here. So first fields are the basic fields, there it will not be shuffling. Now in this field, so it will be shuffling the question orders. So then just repeat the name. So based on the quiz 1 and what is the subject, then start adding the questions to this. So I've already done that. Added the section. This is section 2 of 2. So then quiz 1. The name of the subject. So first question, I have 4 options. So you will be having the options there. So it's just where you click there only it will be adding. Be careful with that. So I'll just enable this and then go to adding the next question. So second question, we can type the second question here. I'm just doing it randomly. So once you're providing options, go to this. So multiple choice, provide the answer, whatever the answer the students, how many ever options you have, just click on other. So to add the next answer, so it's not editing, so you just give it option 2, let it be like that, only option 3, how many ever options you just provide. So the last one is not required, I'll just close this. So this is how you can just add multiple choice answers to the quiz question. So in this way, what we have chosen here is to randomize the questions. So say if you are providing the question number, so this will be randomized 1, 2, 3 like along with that. So since it is randomized, I'll not provide any number for this. So just 1, 2, 3, sorry, just the question name or problem statement, no number associated with that. So what I do is I just want to shuffle these answers also. Yes, that option is also available. What I need to do now, just go to this option, these 3 dots. So where you will be having the description, go to select, there you just click on this shuffle option order. So it will shuffle the order, and I need to provide which is the right answer out of these 4. Go to this answer key, provide what is the marks associated with this is 1 marks, and which is the right answer. So the right answer is question number 3. Then click on done. In the similar way, you can just make it for all questions. So for this question, I just provide the option 4 is the right answer, done, and just I need to randomize this answer order. So it's been done. In this way, you can just provide all the questions and the options. So just it's been done with. So provide what is the marks for this also, because I missed it. So now we need to restrict our students the response time. Go to this response option. So you have an option here, not accepting the response or accept the response. When the test time starts, you just make this available so that the students can provide the response for this quiz. As soon as the test time ends, you just disable this option so that they can't respond for this quizzes. So this way you can just make it to restrict the response time of the students. So now just we'll open back this and try to do the response for the quiz. We'll come to know how it is working. This is what the link we need to provide for the students. So I'll just copy this. I've copied this and I'll open on another browser. I try to paste over there the link. So it will be asking the students to log in. Only then they can able to do it. Since I've logged in here and I've closed the response, so it's no longer accepting the response. So if I just make the change over here, just go back to the other browser and refresh this page. So it's open and the students can able to provide the details. So the shuffling of the question applies for every subsections also. So here also it will be shuffling. I don't think it will be a matter for us. So anyhow, they'll be providing all these details. Once they provide all these details, then only they can go to the next page. Since we make it, these details are mandatory. That's how we can able to make the quiz. Thank you.